G'day and welcome to Lambda Motorcycles. Today I will show you how to fit a battery into a Super Cub. Come with me. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to do the battery. First, open the battery box. Grab a multimeter. Just check that your battery's okay before fitting. 1264, 3, that's fine. Anything over 23 is okay. Yep. Old batteries in here, just in front there. First you can undo one of the terminals, the only one that is exposed. Take the old battery out. And then you'll take out one of the bottom screws that holds the actual plate, battery plate in place. Tiny little grub screws. Then there's one above, up the top here. Then you pull back your final one. I normally just tuck them out of the way, just so I can sneak the battery out. So you just tuck them out of the way, tidily to the side. Pull the old one out. Alright, so you load your screws, your nuts, bolts. Put the battery in. Now you do your positive first. So you've got to sort of do it in reverse, obviously. Put your screw on there and load it to hold it. Angle them down there, and you'll see the nut take up with the screw. Then you put the cover there, and you want to get your battery holder back. You can do your top or your bottom first. I'll do the bottom first. It is a bit cramped in here, so you just got to sort of try and do the best you can. If you drop a screw, generally it will just fall out on the bottom. You know, it happens to the best of us. And get the top one. The top one's in. She's tight. Do the bottom one now. She's tight. You can put all that on afterwards if you like. Just make sure that get your screws and everything in first. Oh, the screw's in there, that's right. So you just bring that last screw out. Just gently. These screwdrivers are magnetised. They're very weak. Right, so we're going to go put our negative one on now. I'm going to screw him gently. she's taken up. She's tight, so now you can put your fuses back on there, like so. You can grab your cover. Well, actually, before you grab your cover, you can start it. Just make sure that she runs first. Done.